Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about another key aspect to make your woodworking business successful. And that key aspect is having human connections. Human connections is just a really important thing to have. And when I mean human connections, I mean multiple things. First of all, is just connecting with everybody you see, because you never know when an order or something good can come up from that. I've had quite a few times where just a simple conversation has led to an order, a custom order. Like, they reach out to me sometimes years later too. They hear, "Oh yeah, I hear you do woodworking tables and this live edge stuff. Could you please make me a custom bench or something?" And that really helps with your business. And another way sometimes that I've had was not necessarily custom orders, but free wood and stuff like that. Like, some of these people have really nice tree that just came down or something. They just asked me if I want to get it sawn up or something, or if I can saw it up, and then I can take some free wood and stuff. Which some of these is premium wood. Like, some of these tree cookies that I've got are like 30-inch, and I got like 5 of those for free, and like I've been selling those pieces for about $250 each. And so just like that simple connection made me around $600 after it was all done. And so yeah, it's stuff like that really helps you make progress within your woodworking business and helps it be successful. So human connections can provide you with resources and orders. My other thing is just human connection in being good with communication with the customers. Lots of times you need to be good with talking to clients that have custom orders and stuff like that. You need to make sure that you're clear, that you seem pretty nice, and that you just seem like a reasonable person. But that can really help the customer with maybe doing the extra piece, making it a bit more complicated, the order, to make you a little bit more money, but then they feel like that's the way to go. Or even if you're nice to customer, you now have a good reputation with them, and they go tell their friends and stuff like that. And so yeah, really being good at communication and being reasonable and nice, you will definitely see better results within your woodworking business. And I don't know any business that hasn't made it without relying on other humans to make it work. So that's another reason human connection is key. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and check out some of my other videos.